A. This is capital A. A for apple. Small a. A for apple. Small a. Capital B. B for ball. B for ball. Small b. B for ball. B for ball. Capital C. C. Capital C. Small c. C for cat. C for cat. Capital D. D. Capital D. D for dog. Small d. Small d. D for dog. Capital E. 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 Capital E. E for elephant. Small e. Small e. E for elephant. Capital F. Capital F. F for fish. Small f. F for fish. F for fish. Capital G. Capital G. G for grapes. G for grapes. Small g. Small g. G for grapes. Capital H. H. H for horse. H for horse. Small h. Small h. H for horse. Capital I. I for ice cream. I for ice cream. Small I. I for ice cream. I for ice cream. Thank you, kids.